from the big one. That's it, big one. Whoa. Oh, is it just one of them ones? Yeah. Oh, I like these ones. I've got for edges. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Little wank. Oh, you get this tank, kid. I'm still you want coming at us.
Thousand sticks red. Thousand, move your head. Do the fireworks and then you go and stick your head in front of it. Thousand's red.
Well, we're going to fall over that, Trev. Oh, that's a sparkle, it's going to fall over if it's not. Big sparkle, that, isn't it?
Hello, dear.
One left.
Is it? Yeah, nice one. Yeah. Oh, man.
I'm going to get a beer, but I think I'll wait. I would.
Hitler and evil.
Think carefully, like.
Oh, it's another one.
You're going on with yourself after attention. You don't have to.
You should have missed it. You were obsessed with it. Sorry.
Oh, sorry,
One of my favourite ones, Why, because you can have more family than all fox. That's a joke.
Cheers, well.
Ooh!
Oh, that's nice. Oh, picture couldn't go into this far. Mind you, they're sometimes dangerous, aren't they? We had one last night. He weren't, yeah. And he weren't all that. No, he weren't all that. Not overjoyed. He weren't overjoyed. I tell you what, He's 19 shots. How many shots? Oh, that's nice. Uh-oh, setting the window on. Oh, that was back to 250, wasn't it? Alright. Oh, you're cheap, wasn't it? Oh, that's nice, Joe. That must be a Roman candle. Oh, what I got today. It's called a Roman candle. Is that it? Oh.
It's over there. It stopped.
They're lovely down there, aren't they? How many people are going on? Catherine wheel, isn't it?
That one.
Oh, that's lovely.
That one.
That's called a Catherine wheel. That's Catherine, yeah. Catherine, like baby Catherine wheel.
Does it go round and round?
You just tired, don't have a big slate.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's it.
Look at that. Ooh.
Oh, it was short.
No.
Whoa. It's all over now. You crying? You're not asked them. Were they even packed them up? I don't know which ones they are. Have you ever set a firework? Oh, it's still on yours. Have you ever? No. You're frightened of them, Mum.
Go on properly like that. Leaking.
He was like Lucy Davis's wheel. He's been told his arm. Pull his arm away. All his eyelashes are gone. All his eyebrows are gone. His eyelashes are wrong way. I'll put your hair with the eyebrows were. You said we're going up. This is like, we've got a good cat.
That's getting full of Joe. Keep rolling, eh? You used to get them, they change colour like, what they call them, chocolate like.
Yeah, this ritual. You ought to know about that. The fire's getting low. The ones that go up in the sky. That fire's getting low. Is that it?
Oh, look at that one. That's a good one.
Hold on.
Long than that, isn't it?
Fire's going. Stop.
That's a long time, isn't it? Red flame. Is that a big garden patch?
Now we're quickest 96 knots I've ever seen.